Check out this 2010 Toyota Corolla. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. Low emissions and the good fuel economy offered in this vehicle are important to you and to the environment. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable engine driven by an automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power mirrors, power steering, air conditioning. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.